I've been held back for too long. My goals, my time. Now is the time to break free. With one mighty pull.
Hello everyone. Take a look at this YouTube channel called Simple Way of Life. This is a very impressive channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create videos in the exact same style using 100% free AI tools. This channel has around 23.7 thousand subscribers and has uploaded only 62 videos. Despite having a relatively small number of uploads, the channel is performing extremely well. If we look at its most popular videos, you'll notice that some of them have reached over 400,000 views, while many others have 70,000 to 100,000 views. This clearly shows that there is a huge audience interested in this type of content. If you consistently create similar videos with good quality, you also have a strong chance of growing your channel and getting monetized. So, what kind of content does this channel create? The videos focus on topics such as human psychology, brain power, daily habits, mindset, self-improvement, personal growth, life lessons, motivation, success principles, and mental peace. Every video teaches viewers something valuable that they can apply in their real lives. One thing you'll immediately notice is the simple Stickman character used throughout the videos. Even though the animation style is minimal, every topic is presented in a unique, engaging, and easy-to-understand way. My goal is always to bring you fresh and trending AI content every single day, and that's exactly why I'm sharing this complete workflow with you. I have already created videos in this exact style, and the results are amazing. The animations are smooth, engaging, and highly professional. To make everything even easier, I have prepared a complete master prompt for you. This master prompt contains absolutely everything you need to create these videos. It includes character prompt, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover script scene, by scene instructions complete workflow. In other words, everything is already organized for you. You don't need to write prompts from scratch. Simply copy the master prompt from the link provided in the description. Once you've copied the prompt, open the Claude AI website. Personally, Claude AI is one of my favorite AI tools because its prompt generation quality is outstanding. It understands complex instructions very well and produces highly detailed outputs. Simply paste the master prompt into Claude AI and click on Generate. Wait a few moments. And just like that, Claude AI will automatically generate your entire project, from scene 1 to scene 10. For every scene, it will provide a detailed image prompt, a cinematic video prompt, a professional voiceover scene, descriptions, animation guidance. Everything is generated automatically. That's why I highly recommend using Claude AI for prompt generation, because the quality of the results is simply incredible. Now let's move on to the image generation section. For creating images, we're going to use Google Gemini, and the best part is that it's completely free. Google Gemini generates extremely high-quality images with excellent consistency. Here's what you need to do. Copy the prompt for scene 1 from the master prompt. Paste it into Gemini. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds, and there it is. Our first image is ready. Take a look at the quality. The image is clean, detailed, and exactly matches the prompt. Now let's generate the second image. Copy the second image prompt. Paste it into Gemini. Click Generate. Wait a few moments, and here is the second image. Again, the quality is excellent, and the AI is following the prompt perfectly. Now let's generate the third image. Copy the third prompt. Paste it. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds, and here comes another beautiful result. Now we'll repeat the exact same process for the fourth image. Paste the prompt. Click Generate. Wait, and now the fourth image is ready. Next, we'll generate the fifth image using the same method. I'll continue repeating this process for all the remaining prompts until every image has been generated. And now, as you can see, all of my images are ready. The final results look absolutely amazing. Every image follows the same visual style, making the entire animation look consistent and professional. One of the best things about Google Gemini is that you can generate around 10 to 12 high-quality images every day for free without spending any credits. Simply generate your images one by one and save them for your project. Now that our images are completely ready, it's time to animate them. In the next section, I'm going to introduce 2 completely free AI animation tools that can transform these static images into smooth, engaging, animated videos. I'll explain both tools step by step in complete detail. So let's get started. All right, everyone. Now let's move on to our first AI video generation tool, called Digen AI. Viewers, this tool is completely free to use, and you can simply sign in with your Gmail account. One of the best things about Digen AI is its daily credit system. As you can see, I currently have over 1,400 credits available. I didn't purchase any of these credits. I simply logged into the platform and left my account active, and it kept adding free daily credits over time. Now let's generate our first animation. I'll open the video section and upload my first image. After uploading the image, I'll enter my animation prompt. Next, make sure you select the RealMotion 3.1 Turbo model. Once everything is ready, simply click the Generate button. Another great feature is that the tool automatically detects your image aspect ratio. If your image is 16:9, it will generate a landscape video. If your image is 9:16, it will automatically create a vertical video, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. The estimated generation time is about 2 minutes, so all you need to do is wait patiently. And now take a look at the final result. The animation looks fantastic. One important tip: the quality of your video depends heavily on the quality of your prompt. The more detailed and cinematic your prompt is, the better the final animation will be. Now let's create the second video. I'll upload my second image, paste my prompt, click Generate, wait a few moments, and here we go. Our second animated video is also ready, and the result looks amazing. As I mentioned earlier, Digen AI provides free daily credits, making it an excellent choice for creating high-quality AI animations without paying for a subscription. Now let's move on to our second free AI video generation tool, called Claude AI. I'll upload all of my generated images into the project. As you can see, every image has been imported successfully. Now I'll open the video section. From the available models, I'll choose VO 3.1 Lite. Then I'll select each image one by one, enter the corresponding animation prompt, and click the Generate button for every scene. I'll repeat the same process until all of my images have been submitted for generation. As you can see, all of my videos have started rendering successfully. Now we simply wait for the AI to finish processing. Another great advantage of Claude AI is that it also provides free daily credits, allowing you to generate multiple AI videos every day. Using the VO 3.1 Lite model, you can create several high-quality 8-second animated clips completely free. After waiting for a short time, now take a look at the results. All of my animated videos generated with Claude AI are ready, and the quality looks excellent. So, to summarize, if you want to generate a large number of AI videos without purchasing a premium plan, Digen AI is a fantastic option because of its generous free credit system. And if you want another reliable free alternative, Claude AI is also an excellent choice for creating smooth and high-quality AI animations. That's the complete workflow I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed this AI video creation method and found it helpful. If you learned something new from this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more free AI tools, creative workflows, and the latest AI content.